Town as far back as I can remember. Every generation of my family, back to my great-grandfather, worked at the mill.
You know, when I was coming up, the mills were the big things. And as a matter of fact, on my 16th birthday, I started to work in Lynette Mill. That was my birthday present.
This was the Mecca. This was the retail area for the valley. Everybody came here to shop. We had a lot of clothing stores, everything. And then the economy kind of went to the pot, and that's when things really got kind of bad for a while. When the mills began to close, I mean, we thought it was doom and gloom, really.
And then when they went out of business, this place was desolate. It was depression.
We were a mill town, and we were strong. And if be a little corny, if you think about the fibers, you know, we were a cotton mill, and we made things, and they were with fibers, and they were strong, and we were like that. We were a family, and parts of our family kind of left when that mill went down.
There wasn't anything going on in West Point at the time. It was tough. People, you know, there was a lot of worry.
One thing I can tell you about West Point, it almost like everyone here we were family. So that's what helped us get through the struggle of the industry, in different industries leaving us.
Personally, I was almost at the verge of leaving. Things were so bad here in the West Point, Georgia area until we got word of Kia.
When Kia came, that revitalized our city, and Kia has certainly provided lots of jobs for people, which was very much needed.
Now we've taken that cotton fiber, that strength that we have, we're taking all those things that made us great. Our determination, our work ethic, our strength, our passion, and we're rolling that into what now Kia is offering for us, and it's changing us.
It has changed a lot of lives, and you know, you wonder if they hadn't have chose this spot, you know, where would we be now? Because we didn't have anything here to keep us going but hope.
Now, since that Kia has brought so many jobs, they filled up the place with apartments and restaurants and everything, and it's just really lively in West Point, and I see more people coming through, and it seems like it's prospering a lot better ever since. We've had to adapt. We've had to show that, hey, we can work hard, and I'm sure that's one reason Kia decided to bring the plant here. Everyone here works hard. You know, we don't expect a participation trophy. We learn in these small towns that if you got a job, you do it the best of your ability. And it's an identifier. When people ask where you're from, I'm from West Point, Georgia. Where's that? We make Kias.